Okay, good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin, and for today we're going to talk about solving polynomial functions using factoring. Okay, so let's solve for the value of x of this polynomial function p of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 54. Okay, so in solving polynomial functions using factoring, our first step is for us to change the function notation to 0, equating the whole polynomial to 0, giving us 2x raised to 3 minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 54 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's group the first term and the second term, the third term and our fourth term, inserting the addition symbol in between them to separate the first group and the second group. Ayan. Okay, next, let's factor each group using common monomial factoring. So, for the first group, the common factor is x squared. Then, let's divide each term by that common factor. That will give us 2x minus 3. Okay. Next, let's proceed to our second group. Okay. So, for the second group, the common factor is they are all divisible by 18. And since we need our leading term of each group must be positive, we need to also factor out the negative sign. So, since our leading term is negative, we need to factor out the negative sign as well. Okay, then let's divide each term by negative 18, giving us 2x minus, okay? Now, if we can observe, we have common factor, which is 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. So, let's factor that out. We will have 2x minus 3 and divide each term by 2x minus 3, giving us the other factor, which is x squared minus 18. Okay? So, now that we have the factors of this polynomial, our next step is to equate each factor by 0. So, equating 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And we have x squared minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, then let's solve for the value of x. Let's start first with the first equation, giving us 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So transpose negative 3 to the other side. Changing the sign, we will have 2x is equal to 3. Then, let's divide both sides by 2, giving us the value of x, which is 3 over 2. Okay. Now, let's proceed to our second group. Let's solve for the value of x. Okay? So, let's transfer negative 18 to the other side. Changing the sign, that will be positive 18. Then, let's remove the exponent by applying the square root property. So, let's get the square root of both sides. We will end up with x is equal to, since we apply the square root property, we need to get both positive and negative roots. Now, since we have a square root of 18, let's simplify this radical. Square root of 18 has a factor, a perfect square factor, that is 9. 9 times 2. So, let's get the square root of 9 and the square root of 2 separately. So, the square root of 9 is 3. Then, the square root of 2 is still square root of 2. So, our value for x will be 3 square root of 2. Positive, negative 3 square root of 2. Now that we have the values of x, let's write our final answer. So, the value of x of this polynomial function will be 3 over 2, positive 3 square root of 2, and negative 3 square root of 2. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.